Welcome to SD Anime, where we bring you fascinating stories from the heart of India's rich history, culture, and heritage. Join us as we explore the hidden gems, timeless traditions, and vibrant life of India's iconic cities. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Today, we dive into the city of Kolkata, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Known as the City of Joy, Kolkata is the cultural capital of India, with a soul that reflects both colonial grandeur and modern energy. Situated on the eastern banks of the Hooghly River, it's a city that buzzes with life, from its historic tram rides to the bustling streets lined with art, literature, and food. Kolkata has a rhythm of its own. Whether it's the charm of its century-old heritage buildings or the electric vibe during Durga Puja, this city holds the essence of India's art, culture, and intellectualism. Welcome to the story of Kolkata's iconic trams, one of the oldest running tram systems in the world. A symbol of the city's heritage, these slow-moving, eco-friendly vehicles have been a part of Kolkata's identity for over 150 years. But how did it all begin, and what makes them so special? The story of Kolkata's trams started in 1873, when horse-drawn trams first hit the streets. They were an exciting addition to the city, offering a new, affordable mode of transport. By 1902, Kolkata introduced electric trams, making it the first city in Asia to have them. This was a game-changer for urban transport. For decades, trams became the lifeblood of Kolkata, connecting neighborhoods and helping millions commute daily. They symbolized modernity in the early 20th century and have witnessed every key moment in the city's history, from the freedom struggle to the partition of Bengal. Trams aren't just a mode of transport, they are a part of Kolkata's soul. The slow rumble of a tram on its tracks has been immortalized in literature, movies, and art. The famed author Satyajit Ray often featured trams in his work, using them to depict the rhythm of Kolkata life. These trams represent the social fabric of Kolkata, where the rich and poor, young and old, all ride together. They are affordable, accessible, and a gentle reminder of a slower, more peaceful way of life. Today, they stand as a reminder of the city's layered history and colonial past. But as the city grows, the trams are under threat. With increased traffic, many see them as outdated and inefficient. Over the years, several tram routes have been closed, and now only a few are operational. Yet, they remain one of the most environmentally friendly transport options, running on electricity and producing zero emissions. Despite the odds, tram enthusiasts and local citizens continue to fight for their preservation. To them, trams are more than just vehicles, they're a living museum, a piece of Kolkata's soul. They believe that these trams can be modernized and integrated into the city's future transport plans, keeping their rich history alive. A heritage tram route from Medan to Esplanade has been preserved, offering tourists and locals a scenic, nostalgic ride through the heart of Kolkata. But will that be enough to save the rest of this historic fleet? Kolkata's trams have witnessed over a century of change, yet they remain a symbol of the city's enduring charm. The question now is, will the future embrace this treasure, or will it fade into history? Let us know in the comments what you think. Should Kolkata's trams stay on track? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories of India's rich heritage and culture.